In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap in Zapier to connect Google Sheets to Slack. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to zapier.com. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Create button, usually at the top left or top right depending on the layout. Click on Create and then choose Zap. A Zap is simply an automated workflow made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process and an action that runs after the trigger fires. On the new Zap page, begin by setting up the trigger. Click on Trigger to select the app that will kick things off. In the search bar, type Google Sheets. When Google Sheets appears in the results, click on it. Next, you'll be asked to choose an event. This event tells Zapier what specific change in Google Sheets should start your automation. Common choices include New Spreadsheet Row, Updated Spreadsheet Row, or New or Updated Spreadsheet Row. Pick the one that matches your use case. After selecting the event, connect your Google account. Click to connect, choose the account you use for your spreadsheets, and approve the permissions. This allows Zapier to read the sheet data needed for your automation. If you have multiple Google accounts, double-check you're connecting the correct one to avoid confusion later. With the trigger selected and your account connected, it's time to define what happens next. Click on Action. In the app search bar, type Slack. When you see Slack in the list, click on it. Now choose an event for Slack. This determines what Slack will do after your Google Sheets trigger fires. Popular options include Send Channel Message, Send Direct Message, or Send Ephemeral Message. Pick the one that fits your workflow. For example, Send Channel Message is great if you want updates to appear in a team channel whenever a new row is added to your sheet. Finally, connect your Slack account. Click to connect and authorize Zapier to access your Slack workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, be sure to select the correct one. You may be asked to approve specific permissions, such as posting messages on your behalf. Grant those so Zapier can perform the action you selected. And that's it. You've set up the core of a Zap that starts with Google Sheets and takes action in Slack. This structure makes it easy to keep your team informed automatically, saving you time and reducing manual updates.